morning, dear students. Today I am here to teach you science of class 4. I hope you all are well. First of all, I want to welcome you all on DPS Dhaka channel. Today I am going to teach the first chapter of chemistry, that is matter, of class 4. Guys, as you all know that matter, what is matter? Matter, it means anything that occupies space and have mass, volume, is known as matter. It means we can say that the things that can occupy space and have mass, weight, as well as volume is termed as matter. In this chapter we have to study about concept of matter, states of matter, changing state of matter. Guys, first you have to know about that what is matter. Matter, it means anything that occupies space and has mass, weight, as well as volume is termed as matter. Volume is what? Volume, it means space occupied by anything is known as volume of that thing. It means how much an object can occupy space. That the space occupied by anything is termed as the volume of that thing. Now talking towards the states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Talking towards the solid, what are solid? The first example of solid is like wood. Now properties of solid, properties of solids are: solids have definite shape, definite size, definite volume. What are the points that solid have? Properties of solid. First, solid have definite shape, definite size, definite volume. And solids are also rigid in nature. Rigid in nature. It means they can show the property of rigidity. Solid can show the property of rigidity. Rigidity, it means what? It means we can say that generally solids are rigid in nature. Now talking towards the another term, solids cannot flow. Solids are incompressible. Solid can't be compressed. That's why it can be termed as incompressible. Solids are incompressible. And talking towards the another side, arrangement of molecules. Arrangement of molecules in solid. Now arrangement of molecules in solid. Arrangement of molecules in solid. Molecules is what? Molecules are the smallest particle of an element or compound. The smallest particles. So arrangement of molecules in solid. Suppose it is a solid. It is a solid, just like it is a brick. It is a brick. It means arrangement of molecule in solid. The smallest particle are present more closer to each other in solid. More closer to each other in solid. It means we can say that the molecules are present very closer to each other. Then we can say that the space between the molecules are negligible in solid. The space which is present between the two molecules of the solid is negligible in the solid, but the force of attraction between the two molecules in solid is very high. The force of attraction between the two molecules of solid is very high. It means we can say that why the force of attraction between the two molecules of the solids are high, because they are present more closer to each other. That's why the force acting between the two molecules is very high. So what are the arrangement of molecules in solid? In solid, generally molecules are compact. Solids are compact due to the why solids. Two question arises here. Why solid cannot flow? Why solids are compact in nature? Why solids are incompressible in nature? Then we are talking to after talking towards this question, your answer is, and you think different types of thing in your mind, but you have studied here that the solids are generally compact because of the arrangement of molecules. Solids cannot flow due to the arrangement of molecules. Solids can be incompressible due to the arrangement of molecules. It means what we can say that it means generally solids have no space between their molecules, and the force of attraction between the molecules is very high. So now talking towards the liquid. Suppose here is a bucket in which water is filled. Now the arrangement of molecules in liquid. In liquid, molecules are generally loosely packed. It means there is some space between the two molecules of the liquid. Here is some. What the arrangement of molecules? Arrangement of molecules is loosely packed in liquid. It means you can say that in liquid molecules are loosely packed. Here is some space between the two molecules of the liquid. So we can say that liquids can flow easily due to the arrangement of molecules, because their molecules are loosely packed. Now then if the molecules are loosely packed, then the space between the molecules is high as compared to the solid. It means in solid, molecules are generally compact to each other, closer to each other, but in liquid these are loosely packed. So there is a space between the two molecules of the liquid as compared to the solid, and the force of attraction that is acting between the two molecules of the liquid is low as compared to the solid. But when we talking towards the gas, suppose it is a balloon which is filled with air. Here the molecules are very far away from each other. There is a lot of space between the two molecules of gases. In gases, molecules are far away from each other, and if the molecules are far away from each other, then the space between the two molecules of the gases are very high, and if the space between the two molecules of the gases are very high, then the force of attraction that is acting between the two molecules of the gases are very low, negligible. The force of attraction between the two molecules of the gases is negligible. It means we can say that gases have a tendency to diffuse. Diffusion, process of intermixing of one substance with another substance. Diffusion is what? Diffusion means process of intermixing of one substance with another. Intermixing of one substance with another substance. Now talking toward the another properties of liquid and gases. Liquid have undefinite shape. It means what? It means liquid के पास undefinite shape. It means आप बोल सकते हो इसमें कि liquid can take the shape of the container under which it is poured. It means when you poured a water into a jug, it can take the shape of the jug. Then similarly, when you placed it into the another vessel, it can take the shape of that vessels. So we can say that liquid have a tendency to take the shape of the vessels under which it is poured. Now talking towards the gas has undefinite shape and their molecules are far away from each other. So we can say that generally liquid are incompressible. Liquid are incompressible. No, liquid are compressible in nature. Solids are incompressible in nature. Gases are compressible in nature. अब changing states of matter. Changing states of matter. Matter can be changed from one state to the another state by changing the temperature. By changing the pressure, we can change the states of matter. Guys, we have started our chapter matter, in which we have studied about matter, different states of matter, different properties of matter, and the differences between the states of matter. I hope you could learn very well, and I hope you could understand what I am going to teach you in this video. I hope you all are well at your home. We all have to maintain social distancing, as well as I am not tell you to maintain social distancing, but you have to maintain physical distancing. Physical distancing, not social distancing. And you have to remain safe. Stay home, stay safe.